going to guy. Oh, good man. Hey, good man. Hey, we. No, you man can't get this good. Share this video. Now see you. I'm so proud of you. You be my mommy. My mommy. My dede. You be my mommy. You be my mommy. I told you be my daddy. You don't know my name, I said my how do you mean? Again, what so? No matter how you way. Walking out of here.
C'est bon dans soupe.
Non, galon. Tu me vois. I'm enjoying my benefit. Au revoir. I'll see you. And I want to tell you, no, you're bonga kingi goyi. Egwa le bayo.
Frustração não é fim. One bottle of beer. You have follow. Awesome. Aida.
Yeah. What? You know. I have you know what I want to idea. No baby. Okay. I know my drink. Share this video, guys. Share the video, no we start. No understand. Because we will the chop on small. And so you'll be no stress on ourselves for this issue of Abeyuwa. You understand? The frustrated, depressed woman in New Jersey. The dead one of New Jersey. We don't stress ourselves for a matter too much. We're going to chop a matter small because a matter long. Now, I greet all of you now, but that's all right there. Please share this video. As you all know, this is from Victor, the woman, one of the social media king, the social media company, the social media the social media anyway, the social media. Hey, are you boy, my baba with this man? Do my drink. I want you. Now let's clear this issue amicably. without no lies. You understand? Let's say the way, because we have a lot to do today, a lot to say today, because we're going to be coming out in different dimensions, different platforms today. So get ready to follow all my platforms so that each time I follow out with different proofs, so that you will just be there. They follow up the series. This story is now serious thing. You understand? With the bring out direct as it be, and I want to go see the follow on with small stars. You know, understand? Now, first of all, I watched the video of Ewi retired no yesterday. Ago, where this Malu called on this platform. Now she started jumping from platform to platform to explain, and she go explain tire, no evidence. First of all, according to her, she said a lot of things. Because I know there are plans. There plenty. There plenty. Now they decide the plan. There plenty, we decide the game. You understand? Some never still come out. Some never still come out. Including the house where the Lagos, which she talk about. You understand? There plenty. But when time go reach, that one, not be Facebook or use of oneself. I know I will solve that one issue. Clear. You understand? They find that the madam of all of them, now my go, now they inside. That one which you talk with concern the house. You understand? My go now inside. That one, when the time reach, the whole world will see here. And I believe that she go see here this video. That's why I say there plenty with this side. You feel me so? So when I calm down. When I calm down, my go now hold the house. Now the people of the house deal with. Now he's saying seize the people of the house because my wife is hot down. Collide with Abeyuwa. You understand? When I relax. Don't they kill us small. All the lie, what did they lie? What did they free? Both my go and she. Last, we will expose everything clear for this media. All of them will sit down and go analyze this issue very well. So when I relax, this December go too sweet. You understand? Because waiting on one here, waiting never here. All of them will hear and wait and reach. You understand? Now, Abeyuwa say, let me have to where Abeyuwa carry phone, call my sister, record my sister. And during the recording, she sit down, compose the talk. They insult mama. Mama will do I like flog. They insult the mama. They insult the papa. We don't die. We go rot forever. They insult the useless family. They insult the sisters and the brothers. Both home and abroad. Then the record. So that if you complain, if all those the puppies will be presented complain, they go see say, Abeyuwa, you be woman, that woman you be. Now relax. The family knows Abeyuwa the sick. The family of Ebu, they know say Abeyuwa is mentally deranged. And now saga, Abeyuwa go marry Abeyuwa money, which they know. You understand? Now see them my screen so, which they know well. Now, she call my sister, go tell my sister, say, my sister tell me, say, she born. Yes, good and fine. And that's true. Abeyuwa carry phone, called my brother, say, thank God for her. She born twins. My brother say, yeah, congratulations. The person where is still born for, if they reach, I will still come mention your name for this media. When I go see here, you need to be there before. According to what she use her mouth to talk. I never talk. I never talk. According to what Abeyuwa use her mouth to tell my family. Now, Abeyuwa saying that since when she born, now me start to come after her. Mona listen. This history, this story where they talk so now. Say Abeyuwa saying don't born twins. It is about 2 to 3 months ago. 3 months ago. Now I tell my brother, say he born twins. And the same person when he born the twins for. The boy in Nigeria,
He tell my brother. My brother tell me, see, I've not said congratulations to her. My words always remain the same. Now I told my brother, I said, listen, if I will greet you good morning, go check if na money be really you day. Only to go where I'm only to with that woman to the lie. Abeyuwa were born twins for the past 3 months ago. He not cast social media. In boy, we be dumb, not talking, not going dance, not going to celebrate, not going to drink. Hold on. Now I say, Edede la bière, omo bière, Edede awa. Suit herself. Congratulations to her. May she leave me alone. Basta. Last month, I hear from my sister say, Abeyuwa say, he born triplets. Omeha. They can shock me. My brother say he born twins. My sister say he born triplets. Last month say, oh, boom, no, but concerning, man. You not concerning. Now we get issue for family. Confidence in Abeyuwa inside. When you go at Kalori, a boy not here. That is, if you listen to Abeyuwa they talk or platform, you will not see this woman. She's nowhere. You understand? Now I have to cuss. I'm gonna play all that. I'm gonna play all super fast. You just know one of the year. You gonna say this woman nowhere. She's sick. When I share this video. Now, she come for a get platform. If they talk good here, they talk good there. You know the video go straight. First, you say you get twins. Later, ou bien, ou bien bivie ha. Ou bivie va. Ou bivie ha. I understand. Which one you born for inside? If va or if ha. They no bien way. Ou ewan we pour rien. Ewan il est boire les boutons. Really no give all the con because it's not getting affected no water. You cannot come to my platform or bring somebody matter to my platform. They talk where I'm not going to ask you a question. Because if you dey lie, I will clear you for the straight down. Even though me and the person be enemy with a quarrel, I dey find everything to beat that person. But I must first tell you the truth and the facts to prevent that my name, to protect my name and my legacy as a social media presenter. That's what makes my platform more unique than all of our own. Because of the hatred you get for the person, you're going to jump up and down. It's just like when I don't get with one that comes about DNA test. Yes. The woman will call, will talk about the DNA test, will say, get the DNA test. I question now, straight down. Now, some how I be. That's why you see, and I'm going to do, I'm on the platform because I need what I want. I need what I want. On one side. Let say, well, we're fucking HIV. So, we are not HIV. Whether Zigona, when you are Western Union or MoneyGram, you have bring up a statement of a country that we are sending go give. Oh, we are not wearing of HIV. So, how about Western Mammy? Why walk in HIV? Also, Manari. We are not wearing of HIV. We now sending go give. We might take the look of your get. Uma send go get ya gbe HIV. Uwe ga send go get omozo. No mozo ya gbe HIV. E just say in water. Wait here boy no go na no we ladi. We call you no answer me. Any questions in here no way we do answer. E just say that one who be here then na be visit. Every week we have here. Every week we have here. The buyer will le gbe fian o han wa si gba ne we han wa si gba ne we ava fiera piko o must wa ma o han gba fan Scotty nu pa no the buyer will le gbe o the buyer will le gbe you understand o se na guma na ma because o to gbe o se ro na ya ti e boy bo no ti e se because o go ta ani ma ta wonu we just said. It is got to work on it. You yak man echo. Mamu where the bell. Any my way you are block you. Una wakba. Una the Scott man lava. No, Scott na ye Kenya we. Scott na ya hoe. When me and you did it. You understand? Since when you found a boy, ni ban away, ya go away, me na any. Who pay me? I worry. E no give be don mu in protect you we. Who pon we ya go more be careful. You understand? Because if you have to know, I will not go so ye or so ye, if we am one. I walk bow, who work you when one money. On the way in your Kaya Soto. In your mamma, go not of you understand? After where I'm busy when I'm working, I don't want to be cut together. Who can do lie with boo? Who can do lie? We can't tell America is still not a basso, who now be palo. Be a palo no is spill map and we are friendly. At the end of the day, we not bag and yaga ye. Go no go, come no come. Up by you yata. Here you were down here. And move where it be me. Red eye me igbuwe. You understand? And move where it be me. Who gas as in real, who you the robo, and move where it be me. More time or enough for free of charge, but no the woman. Where they go ahead. Now, Sister Geola, I'm talking now. Presenters, ra iye do de gbana total. Iha pique point de meni tawana. Bibi total meni tawana. Iye do ni nenwa. Beni e ko na na kado kade. Iha iye point we ya adam ho. Ya he no ria pera, no ria si. Bugi ma we. Rene no soto na. Now, anywhere la je platform man. Wa ti e bo. Ani ma gbon nu e. Edu di go ge, edu wona ge. When America ri go ki wona Italy, won ni fosu ya fi we. O ma na di go me na ya gbo wa. O to do ka wi ya ye ni picture ya blackmail we. When it have we ri ta wa fun. Eni egbo no gwe we delete e. Ma mgbe ma ku se gba delete because e ge e no ge ya o. O me gboku ro ma adegi o mu ye fun se ve fun o ya mi so ko de agere ya nyon re e gbe mi ye poku re bi la egbu e poku re bi la no emi bu no pe adegi le gboku na pe owo na imo na ya owo idon imo na ya owo yata owo ye yata my sister gbe nu yi when ya ma ni me o so kon ro bi aro no ave mana so kon pa no regbi ri ma me ri ma gwa lo we li gwa lo ma be no wi ma no ipe abunu wo ibosi we gwa lo pa we mu eni ya we ra ni ka bi ye to la iri e do ya ke no ro wa ke ni si na gun eyin ahin egbe we wa ran boy family me kuri Abeyuwa ran boy family me kuri ma le o ye gi me ni maje me won ko ne me yo ko ne Inya mama ogwe na rahogbu iri owo ha iri edede abie omomo obie edede bi edede awowa sister not nyongi sister le tegbe no America la awowo mo da kana me na bi rabo yiri je obori mo yu we ri je ma bo we ri ro ekele bi na o we ri ro era abun anya metifwa ki owo e si egbe me aye Egbere ke no se ke dara ula owo ni ai o weti mo tu wa uteti ni mo tebe no pe ya hen bi viva ve no ko ya hen bi viva vi ya he o no blocky o ye tiwe ina wata omo nu we block ni o ye ti we ara emi so we yare won wa ide na kan nu wa agbo asi inu wa we mission wa yare emi so wa yare If I la wa gbene, what we missionary Johnny Wahoo? Missionary people who are the mission, what go preaching holy, the Holy Bible, my men. Are the missionary women? Like their comments. Let me go to this Facebook. Please, what I video now? Yeah, got him out everywhere. There's no need to here because when I'm watching me, talk about on your weful partition work boy. So, my sister, Koya, a plan we plan, ku work ye go. You understand? Okbeni in a lock up, it was playful. All this while, it's not I don't know. Me no mind send you go get ye go for the past since June. Everything man go here send the gear. I know why. Where get your lizard? You know kuno ade na we in plan go yaga plan. You understand? A plan where ya plan, in plan where plan. When son la diana do atem wa. Iye go mo wa ne, o we yen sizo wa ne. O we ne ma doctor obien, let me joto ni me. O we ma doctor obien, we me joto ni. Ay very good. Oni e ken agbo yo go yi e do na. Wa we ye go wa agbe me yo. O wa hin agbe me yo. Wa we ye go e ken agbo yo go yi. O wa we ye go agbe me yo. You understand? Azok wonowa iye go ma biere ayo ya ziye e na iye go ya ziye. Iye go cannot tell me the kind of woman he marry. Iye momo cannot tell me who to marry and who not to marry. Iye go with me don nen ye go. O hen kalo oge with me don nen ye go ebo ya tell na no da for make na because the husband was aware. The husband was in the bedroom the day Tiago where I want to marry my wife. The husband was in support. Tiago went to the corner and said no. You must support. The husband was in that house that very day. You understand? As an old, desperate for social media, I declare her she's not my godmother. But indoors she was still my godmother. Because she was complaining where I have to denounce her as a godmother on social media, but indoors she was still my godmother. That was the reason why I called her secretly where, Madam, I want to go do marriage. You go with your man sign, you marry ye Kevi. We ye Kevi for your man with me. In now we trust you, or when it's really near one face, in already by one to Saga. That was the statement she made. And that very day the husband was with her. During the summer period, where I wait to Udori. You understand? When I requested for my documents, here go with me on Towa, the mother to be. Or we mother to be. Or we may now may sign everyone working out over here now, yes. You started insulting my wife on several times without Okama. Or my fear bono one day. Or my concern with concern Okama. My wife did not know you from Adam. We would call him any agu and share a video. A video in agu and say, wait. My wife was the one that is still working in agu and show. But you end up on social media insulting my wife. Why Monica and Sue, Unas Mario Okama? Oh, I might deba with Monica. We might not deba with Monica. The first quarrel between me and Don Priest, when you go see it. When the priest are you were not like the priest. My the priest there. Now, you now collide with Abeyuwa. Where because a bow one what one. All the documents are with me on phone. On no matter to bow, on another receipt, not the top. On no matter to bow, on another receipt, the first receipt, the second receipt, the two plots in the double, the first receipt, the second receipt, on going, matter to bow. The CFO, the transaction, whether I will see your phone, you tell you, Yema agu e phone. Imatu obuwe. Imatu obuwe otuna agu e bowa. You also brought in your brother to the picture. No gunwe abowa they got when they honest. Let's do it privately. Man, anybody here with Bowaleko. The same you come to social media to broadcast it with Imon Waleko. Ina kept mute. The thing I wanted to do privately, because you were aware, you broadcast it out. And I was your I started doing my things codedly on my own thing. I always say in your own way, oh yeah, because you get where unuegwe. Any little thing you talk for live video, any little thing you go talking for live video. There are things you don't say on social media. There are things you keep private to yourself, as a woman or as a man. That's the reason why I could keep it very still, from far from you people. Now, you want to form bows. Abeyuwa you go, man. As you said, because everything, all the audio we play to each other is still my phone. Because now someone audio react me. Because the image will be clear. Even where that those we set where that man. Here go, let me tell you one thing you don't understand. Ekin we go me those you do social media now. You not believe what you want to do. Or you know baba I like every day. Kuweke ijose. Ekin we go me those you do with social media. What is better what I like social media. If you try with me, if no baba I all. E vera nuwa hona. Vera go sazuwa. No we my go. Ekin wa go be the to do. If you want to try with me, you go to rugged, not be joke. Even when you want to time when you feel like opportunity now because as fast the same thing you did day 4 days ago, you said to me on WhatsApp. The same thing I want to tell you there. Where a bow one yasi zeni. You understand? Abeyuwa gave me 5 million naira. That same 5 million naira, that demoto were free of charge with 2 million naira. We're reliable for the year, for decades of years. We might the year cannot win. Because you are my godmother. Uje 30 feet by 120 feet, not jamais. Which a plot of land there is 300,000. I bought a car for your brother, 2 million naira. Camera big for nothing. Imoto not 2 years with marriage, more doy. We are in Lazian West, USA, me, so me, what should the way, a so me, I said, me, unu way, or send where uni me. Oge the waku, kakabok kuen, no yek bin. Oge no we are kun, what the social media, akabok kuen, umwela, and the broker say, Menyana le you, Liluwe, you have. All I wanted you, what I want from you, give me my house documents and stay away from me. Simple. Who is man? When you marry you, you do for me, I do for you. Now you collab with Abeyuwa. The same Abeyuwa, nous we can't be zanzan social media. Abeyuwa est on y bien now. When a woman is too desperate, you will end up with shame and disgrace. A life is not step by step, one after the other. Every no matter you will get, all the bomber. You want to use by force to marry me? You cannot marry me by force. Right from time, the same year goes away. It's about way. I don't love you, I don't love you. Iyego was also the one encouraging me to play along with you, to see money from you. Sisu umego menu zekwa, umenga kulele. After all, I talk America the money of Italy, a big way. This is the same advice that she was giving to me as a godmother. Today she want to farm too good. She want to farm too good. This the same year go collide together with Abeyuwa. I'm married. When Abeyuwa fell off here, or Boakameleku. No tia no buwake meleko. Abeyiwa reshu. Abeyiwa ran to my ego. My ego so Kukuma defend my brother. Because he's looking for what to bring his brother to America. I never want to talk. Want to stay away from me. Give me my property and everybody go do your lane. Abeyiwa ye 5 million me. No wait away. And then motor no dey tell. Then motor no dey tell. One year ni go. E go na Abeyiwa ja no. On the motor dey tell way. You understand? You gonna be wa jamais no. Ina di motor no to way. Out of ja no way. You gonna be wa jamais me. Me na di motor no to way. Then you're not telling me where that one year ni go. La wo e debt ni le dorima e dia e Geola de social media wa ku di property ye me gba wa sunu ri ati woman aye e mere dos we Facebook yen o me yan mere dos na post o mana lo ye ke we something like that yeah anything sexual intercourse. And she posted a page of it. When she posted that thing, Facebook bring that page down. So the page was no longer active. Maybe was not up. So bros, what happened? Let me go into the Facebook. I tried to log in the email. It was no longer working. Now I don't know. I cannot fix it. But I know somebody that can fix it. In that connecting me those with Otinjego. No, but what can cool? You understand? Now my bros. See this woman pay, see what you happen to her. You understand? So if you feel that for an Epa Eddie, she go pay you, not be free. You understand? Pay to follow up on our canoe. Before you kiss one love, I was not aware. Before mother those not buy tickets, go Nigeria, go do marriage. I was not aware. Here go to well. They kept mute. They did not tell me. I did not know anything about those marriage. Or when we now when the Babaga no boy was ready. They went to do marriage without me knowing. Alongside with the husband. The husband does not also know. Now I was in my house. Or he sat in there. Yeah, he's one going there. Now my house I did sleep inside my room. But they just forward picture of marriage to my phone. What be this woman name with the UK? FA. Saboro. I always saw Saboro celebrate Meredo's marriage. He not sure man we marry. He not sure the person where Meredo's marry. When the marriage really happen. See me, I don't say normally, I don't know. Everybody do your thing privately. When Meredo's now send me the picture of my good brother, two of them do marriage for court or Lagos, I was like, what? For real, my mind was like, maybe the guy got the jams. You understand? With that, you now post the picture of him. So I post picture, never reach how many minutes. Meredo don't come and say, the guy the verse, make I bring the picture down. Now say, make I bring the picture down. Say, why I go the verse? Say I post the picture, I go the verse. Say I post the my marriage picture, you go the verse. My guy, don't be smart, you. My brother talk many minutes, don't talk many minutes. So I see the story where they talk. I just keep quiet. I heard they laugh. Now boom. Team made those with my go they do saga Facebook. So when they do saga for Facebook, I just make I call my guy. Alpha. And the guy coach follow me. So when we go post their wedding picture without me not tell her. I say what? I go post a wedding picture without not tell you. Before you go marry me, you call me, tell me. If the way me take you as a brother, now you the build that for me. Best way they connect with you as a guy, say, help this guy do Facebook. You can't go marry him. You don't call me, you were dead and media abroad. You don't come and say, Alpha, bro, that baby you connect for me, one see who they don't want to do things, so how you be, how you see her. Make a let you know, say, this girl, not go there, or this girl, now nice girl. To me, the way I tell they see her, now nice woman, follow up. Or, my brother, this woman, a bad person, will not go. Now, two things involved. Either I tell you the good side of her, or I tell you the bad side of her. You didn't seek my opinion. You do things secretly. Now, picture the secret for me. Say that the person make you not talk. Me, you don't mean I do in private. Now, why you don't do surprise to me? What kind of surprise? Surprise, now the person can't even surprise with the picture. Me see picture now, I come post and see the by the post, come the verse. I see the quarrel now, lock up. Now rest. I do my video. I talk to Bodedos. I talk to Michael. Without offending this one, make peace day. Since that day, this brother not pick my call again. I send the brother 1 million naira. Make it work, man. Make it do first. For my house. Up to now, go, no go, come, no here now. I don't do the house which now, I don't know. If I call, I not the pick up. If I send a message, you go read message, you know the reply. And lock up. Until Meredos call me. Meredos come bring me something. Meredos people let me know, say, now this Abeyuwa not. Now that guy called a friend. I can't come by go 4 days ago, but 3 days ago, say, I want to get my land paper. When I listen, I want to get my land paper. He said which land, say which house, whether me get house, and now so okay. I dey call your brother. First of all, I dey call your brother. A number will ring, no dey pick. I go write a message, you know, go give a message, no dey reply. I been want to send my brother go Lagos, may go collect document for your hand. I may show on the house. He say, you better not dey town. You better not dey Nigeria. Say you better not dey Nigeria. I say you better not dey Nigeria. Say you better not dey Nigeria. I say okay, I don't want to collect my land paper. Say which land? Which house? Me get house. And me say, me buy land for your hand. Which land me buy for your hand? I said, which kind of talk with that one? I don't buy land for your hand. He said, land when you dash me. Because you buy land for your hand. I said, which land you dash me? You first dash me land, the first 30 by 120. The other one where I buy, I say that one too small. I want to extend down. Where I go to put swimming pool, put swimming pool, put beach bar. Where I buy. He said me buy land for hand. If me buy, maybe use my pikin swear. I say, what's it? He said me buy land for hand. Let me use my one pikin. Let me use that to swear. Now I say okay. I go use and swear. Now I use and swear. He said me not buy land for hand. Don't they talk. I said they shout. Even the children, they don't say, "Mommy, you are shouting. You are shouting. You are shouting." You understand? You know when person they record you, because I think the record we don't understand that. Now what you do to me, they do that one. Maybe they do they pour out in mind. She they record, they do they kick. Because they want how you want to cut beats with their dose there. That was how they take play with their dose. So now that kind of way, if you say you want to play me, my guy, my own go too sweet. Don't be joke. My own go sweet, go affect many people. Don't be joke. If you don't know, my life that I talk and so now. Abeyuwa and Yego, one man, a matter remain. All the history with the whole world. No person no worry. And they tell you, all the history. It's very simple. Very, very simple. If you are not going, if you are not woman, war helping, mommy will talking, I don't argue with you. You feel be anything where you pay you be. And for your pocket. Your mommy water not carry me enter abroad. Your mommy water not help me for abroad. Whatever I be today, don't be your mommy water help me. To say you be really good mommy water. Your family, they for the best for the whole world. Now the only mommy water where I know be that one. See this now Facebook mommy water so. My sister, a bow wange no way. A bow wange no way. The man would wear that book here. Kona no wado na government in already. Everybody don't know. This one where he's saying born twist. Tomorrow he born triplets. We not even know who waiting he born. It ain't be triplets, 3 boys. It ain't be twins. O marry one in ye be. Who you they use and deceive me more. For a no get platform. O who be your nerds, I be nerds and who be. Since 2 months and 3 months ago, me home beer. Who say Facebook no there? When they have been no beer. Who be be triplets wogere. Who can be triplets wogere ni ati ayi. Domumu ma bi vie ha on domumu. Who so go na bi vie va. No go bi vie ha. Because every second we are beer. Maybe as we are still talking, we are seeing the hospital. Doctor say na two doctor come say them one. But that come back one say the inside though. Once as one come the message says there's still one baby. Oh, doctor, please, there's still one baby inside the room. Please, there's still one baby. Please, tell the woman to go back to the theater, go back to the theater, go and one baby, make it 3 baby. It's still one baby. Saluboa. Oh, what ba? When it just what the bass na. When it just what the bass oh go unu. And my unu go agwa unu. Well, hello la just to be the lebe usaga. Usuri. Ora agwa unu. What ba bi via? What ba bi via va? Uma ja gbori yen no bia we. When we gbeni yen se, when we high services, when we pepper de se, we bie America. Who be America? We may say, we may cast say EBS ne. When me, may cast EBS ne. When agboyawa hen. Any little thing, I don't marry. I don't marry what. It's got to be the law, got to be away. What do you know where I take no way? I hope where it's a lie. You don't sleep with me. I just want to talk on me for pepper you. I just want to talk on me for verse you. Sister down here. Oh, whoa. No, be away more. All that one. Oh, be the jealous. You go pay the man. Oh, no, am I away more? Oh, no, me holding you. Eke what they will have your fogbera. And that's me for you. I've told you times that number. Oh, no, ni my way more. Okay. And that's my way. Can you when you can go me? Na simple thing. When I have problem with your family man, the man they don't where exist. Unless you are a live video now. And when we love you, even you are a radar you were there, the social media. Because everything about you is evil. Anytime you come to social media is war, fight. Anytime you hear a live video, it's all about fights. Bad cause. You are not a woman that speak as real, my said woman. America. One of the number 1 country in the whole world. You will dare you looking stupid like this. Fully your integrity and your family, entire family integrity. One man family. No, now, I don't want to say everywhere. You got to work with you. I got a toy van. I am America. A last gunner, you bass away, your bass almighty climber. You know the way I go expect me with this your attitude. When I with money, the miana gele woke ya okuna. Okay. Oh well, ego. If me ya gele wa mudigo ya mo you wa. Say I'm coming because I'm desperate. Family make are poor doesn't mean I'm your family. Everybody has to sort yourself out. Would man do mine and come out? Everybody has to solve your problem out. Problem of men are good. That's all. Do one you should know. Because what? Many things with a family now. Well, because family are poor. He has created my joy. He has satisfied my joy for a useless woman to make them okay. God forbid. Mais en vous y maintenant si après ma libya là maintenant vous y a be libya et family me yari bai in ya celebrate Christmas in ya we birthday I was down there it is I smoke I be mugu who dey na from mozo then do form na family poor make I come dey form holy money in my house money I want to knock it in North America Sister will not get character, no get. Sister will not get character, no get. Sister will not get character, no get. Do you have way? What say? Red boy. When you go back, basse. Eba we viens le yo en social media. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Ewe mu we. Where in me wo oh, I don't know about the my sponsor of where university. She's an accountant in Lagos, Spring Bank in Lagos. You go to university, you go Imagbewa. Never million. Thank God you were aware. They said it one day when we are called. You know time I got a conference call. They did get call I did the way marriage we do. More lodge that for out of more lodge you would say. Men or lodge you would say. What part to say? You understand? Imagine how that way or away from a year or don't drop it like you. And I have me for a letter may get go. Fanaya you pa. Imawu, I'm still alive today. And he's still fine. I do a zoo on social media. A plan wa plan. Eruni mena or ze edena those no sooner or those soon. Because this thing has been on ground for long. I was just trying to keep calm. That's the major reason why I come here. No insultant. No insultant. No insultant. Each time I feel no good, no ya feel no give you come away say because why? Oh boy, now do to boy to bowaji the co. I was just trying to play fool alongside with her. When that fool need play me, I've let it loose. You understand? I've let it loose. My sister, it can wear message. It will hear say that. But we can imagine the dinner. We put look by the made dinner. You know, fuck with me will not be joke. Not be joke. Surrounded this Facebook, my influence, and the user and they help people that are being oppressed. And the user and they help the less privileged. And the user and they help people, and they solve people problem. But not you, one form say you get money. Now guy, or one one even a heto. When I'm an people to me, can I go you go you doni? While you go, one make you. You what time one and the whole world go. No be say tomorrow the concept. Now go say Frank no very talking. That's why they talk this thing now. Or accept. O make an what vene? Ugabi home. A great man. Why not guy number one? No see now you go to because of even Ukunata. Even a Kenya Yaziri because of no ta. Concerning what in me bo. Ni me na na mo we come here where guy and they build that for Lagos. You understand? Now, he ain't make him out with Bowaiko. He now say he has the house, the property of my house, the document of my house is now with them. And he go already told me that he sees this. When he made to pay you, Tony, me Bowaini, Tony me card me go be me to pay you. When I have all my receipt with me here. Autonoma there now the receipt. This is the cook, the plan here cook. Here go Abeyuwa cook. Autonoma there go well. Me now the receipt from the community. From the community, now the receipt from the community. Imagine to well, according to you. I have the receipt from the community. We shall cast you on understand? So, anything. Abeyuwa no viebo. It's an America. No Madenica. There you are, you work because it's that. See, we look quiet. Yeah, you work. Now. I want to know why you understand. You want to know why you go understand well. Uday me no me. O wani ma sende. Yes. O wani me ma sende wani. E mo paro da bit ne yin ati ge na ge. E me do sta ma me. E me do we about the smile. Or when you are advice me, or one or see go boko any. Neither if you will like one. Now, why? I will get the disease where I will advise you not that house, no pull head into that house. But you don't feel understand. Ina ya kakabo we need kabo deep. You understand? Ina ya we deep we one me do when you get feel well like one. Ah, okay, it is well. You understand? You don't lock up. Now, how come about the document is not about the document? 3 days ago here, me comfort ye go. Since never way asunu, Nedia wana. Since I'm here with the those ye go, ye man, and not in Nigeria, we are married. Nedia wana me comfort ye go, where the young to her, yammy book on her. Ye go not go and win, sees the boot on him. Now, Abeyuwa will try a live video. Wagenogi. They know that. They now also let me know where Abeyuwa is not dating a year ago. Nemeredos is married. Are we in America? Beredos told me. The same person I called my godmother, the same woman I always call when I want to have anything to discuss. Even woman, Abeyuwa personally called me. What years ago, Abeyuwa personally called me where the person where you call your godmother not be better person. Now we listen up about what's the word, which can talk with that one. And when me are you the quarrel? It's a make a friend, the brother. Abeyuwa started posting big star picture for a platform, for a page. That is in status. When I saw his WhatsApp status, it was my own guy, my old friend with a big house for me. Now the picture, he removed my picture, he put my old friend picture. I can't look up. I not send. When we indicate about not love for who, anything of who, or who there's a lot of it. But if you don't have no love for that woman, no matter what she did, you want send. In a boom. I didn't want to call my sister because I blocked her. When I now opened the WhatsApp, he changed the profile picture. Now I call her and say, why you can't change your profile picture? He said, no be your godmother, your godmother, no be your godmother. And I go report you to her. And your godmother saying, since the fact you love you, we were after daughter. Since the fact we love you, we were after daughter. You're not much one, when I'm more teen, now you know where. So that don't give you the right. Now I'm not picture on your profile. Oh yes, now that's okay. Off way, but you are you. I better forget that talk. I don't want to hear. Because me, I'm not sent. You see now the whole scenario that's not coming clear. Matter deal, audio still there. Go reach even my go. I bet you still collect the audio. Send that for me. Record my go. Send me the audio. You understand? Many things there. It doesn't tell me where you just lock up. I don't know what thing they do. So I be fool. I not be fool. I just chill. Say, if I'm not your one, every live video. Also, not chill. All this way, you're born. You they live my life. They go. I say, I'm married, so they all leave me alone. You're doing my woman. They are not happy. Yes, it's true. The fact is that they are not happy. Say, I'm married, Kevin. I find my choice and I marry him. Simple. Nobody will tell me what to do. My own papa will tell me what to do. My own father, even though you wake up for grave, will not tell me, say, see who you want marry, see who you want marry. Don't talk of godmother. That's no now. At this kind of time, where we do so, or where you're where I'm not open, or Honor as go marry, double night, the way I think you were yard, you sang on what liquor go away. Simple. I will buffer. Let me have my own choice as a man. Let's say I control the Lord. Mais Nigeria, ma control me wa. Ou se man yama wa, ma control ma. Ma going to say go the little as ko fe no. O pa ndo control me because of my godmother. I quit the godmother things. Very simple. She don't have that anger in her mind. Two things. Let me marry go the verse we put. One, getting married to my wife. Number one. Number two, removing her from my page as admin. Waffle. You know what? Why remove her? Now will be my fans. Now give me the complaint. Because she be admin for my page. If you do video, as I do this video now, me. This video now I'm going to find out, I'm going to see her. Go do on top. My brother tell you, go do on top. So people walk enter my page, want to watch my video. They not go see my video now. So I might go video where you blog. Man, what is they call that man? Name the youth, Dusty, you just down, just use that food the page. So people call they complain. So I'm not gonna understand though. Now this is what this one video will see for your page. You know they see your video, you know they do video again. Once I do video, my video deal. I can't really go my page. Because as I do the video, I know the control, I don't boona. As I really go my page, I screw my video where I don't do today. Me they screw and they go down. I say, this is not really bad thing. You know, go make me the get view. People don't go to view my video again because now video they go to see for front. Now I remove one as admin. Sharply. So that I go to control my page myself. I know I only for those people, like those bloggers where they share their video, now they pay me. Yes. All those bloggers where they share their video, they pay. Every money they pay. See any video where you see na bloggers video, wait blog video. Even though they insult me, they go blog and I go share one. Because they pay put. I pay yo. That's me for you. I do business. You understand? Now I remove on. Finish. Now be the anger. And that put you so emoji. Hey your way. Emoji. And the master emoji. You understand? Which not reach where you call where you go quarter put. And the verse put. For me, I'm not saying. Up to now, I don't see the verse for anybody. For real. My stand is say, do the needful. Give my property. Basta. If I greet you answer me, shake down me. If you not greet me, if you not answer me, no problem. I don't get issue with anybody. I don't buy good, I don't buy any competition. They do my own thing, they run my race. I'm the wrong person race, join my own. You understand? Two things now they ask for. My documents of my property. And make this woman stay with my family. Hello? Alpha. Yeah. 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 Confirm. Of course. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. So, nothing more so. Where the verse go to? No, I not date the way they go marry Miriados. When they go do marriage, they go marry Miriados for Lagos. I not there. Before Miriados, buy ticket for Belgium, they go Lagos, want to do marriage. He marry her. I marry her and her. I marry her marriage. In our marriage, in our process, if I am be a webu, if my go where. Miriados win a ticket in a Iowa, near my boyfriend, you are not that him what. Oda fun we me do si ni ti mi yen le ma gbon mi do si ni eri ya na nya wunya no so no this ni ga na so na yere country sit away yere country I don't know. I don't did it. I'm ready to talk. Me and them my own house jeje. They don't ready the quarrel. They don't get issue. Me those Michael and Vista they don't get issue before me do go send their wedding picture. Come for me. Because they celebrate them. Now I post picture. He posted a picture on Facebook in Egbe. The brothers now, in brother, Michael brother now, think say, now me advise me the dose. Make me the dose come insult Mama Ego. Mama Ego now cause talk for live video. Say now me advise me the dose. Not the wrong way. Because now make me post the picture. So now make me post the picture. On the normal ground. I will marry Geola. I will marry Geola. A marriage is not going to genuine. A marriage no one year come ya geli we mo I will marry Geola. They see the married person hide. I don't understand though. I know the Nigeria want to do marriage. Now my house I did the same picture. With my clear mind. Based on the person here, if there's not a person here, it go pay me money. I will put my dossier and go me. Yes now. For me to use my place to celebrate you. Only go me. You know, okay, I will only post your picture. I'm not going to sit down and celebrate you for free of charge. In that post a picture that I do to me our marriage. He finished. I said I need advice for the those because the saga my go. You go moji. Or I not cause it down get. Cause a message to me the dose. Ni do agbe ba yego, ni do agbe me dos. We me dos wa gute mo ni yego, ni do agbe me dos. That was what I was expecting. At my age, he do agbe na no ko no wodo. He do agbe na no. For what? Before I even hear for the husband Max. Before I heard from the husband Max say, me dos, they in your house. Go marry white brother for house. They not let her know. I was shocked. It's just the way everybody shocked when we see those pictures. Now so me I was shocked. Then my supposed government that want to talk is saying that me go energize me the those they come the sangara for social media. When I marry me do some mono. Even when those coming for the second time. Setting your walazia, in your water very yakwa, it's better what being, it's better what being. In a way, which to worry you. And I want to hear this thing for Facebook. Oh. I don't want to hear now. They may just not record you, may just play that video. I told me, I said, I don't want to hear this thing for Facebook. Give me time. Let's settle this issue indoor. Quietly. So that peace could be. Whatever you do, your husband really can invest for you. I will talk to him. Now my guy. And then that's like I forget it. Now me begin the yummy story, even myself I can't shock. Now it's okay, relax. All this is what you don't talk, so I don't hear. You will let so the same man get you already talk so. We haven't by what you want here, very soon you go here. Very soon you go here. Because in America they want carry and go so. Very soon you go here. Because they believe say in Africa they come Belgium. Ah, that's okay, calm down. Let's work this things out. After us, on my concerning me, maybe you won't. Japan. It's not my business. My issue is that let's settle the both of you. Early morning, I just sleep. I short. I will maybe I go here myself. Not be when I did say I just sleep. As for those they call me so. I say they call my wife for this side. Me dey my house or room. I say they call my wife. As ever my wife wake up, they told me say I'm gonna do Scotland. See what me do Scotland. They say in shock. See what me do Scotland. I say really? Say yes. Before I know what will happen, wife say me do real life video. Me do real life video. My wife will go wash now. That's why I take go me do plan. I go to wash. And they listen me do the talk. And so the other thing, now some of us sit down wash. Now so many people consider they analyze the issue. Me and Jack, you give me away because the doctor will be here. Because you have to work on the co. Wa karami wa. I'll give me now. I stop it. Not be joking. Okay. Eddie Abeyuwa. Level of the rock Abeyuwa. Level of Abeyuwa at all. Abeyuwa knew why you live video. The water of live video. Telephone no lawa. Or ya be the pressure over. Level of it. You understand? Me only me go to boy. You only a book wa me or second. Okay, people want to make no have views. I joke. Cynthia Omoru, I see you at all. I must greet you. Yeah, it's coming small. On this comment for this side. My user for read comments. Now let's see matter. Yes, a live video. You do advise someone. If there is live video, they go to advise person, whether they get evil acts for mind. Yeah, now you go call me more up to, but it was not last month here. Before that quarrel between she and my wife, she called me. We talk. We talk fine. We don't get issue. You don't talk like person with the verse. You don't come in talk like with the quarrel. Or no only to me say, you go get evil mind against me. You understand? You go to call me, they talk to me like person will be say we not get quarrel. No, you answer long time. Thinking of the next strategy to strike. Oh. I tell you flat. Now I build. Or I build. I have the videos. I have every document about that house for my phone. You understand? We be say, now your brother send that for me. I say they send that for me, they send that for you. So you cannot tell me say, oh mark your tongue, then uno season woman for that. Masters Thomas woman. You are here. Then Abeyuwa does not have connection with you and the house. Abeyuwa na come and say what on you, see the new Tony. You have to come out to explain that part. Iyego. How did Abeyuwa not know? Even me and you get issue inside house. Now WhatsApp, all the record will play for each other here. You did WhatsApp here. But the one you play for me, the one I still play for you back. You did here. On the 15th. That was on Sunday. Sunday morning. At about 11:05. I call you 10:46. See, all the record there, with me and you to talk. Sunday or Sunday now ask Iyego for my house document. On Monday, Abeyuwa can talk about my house documents. Say the season. The same word we Iyego use for me, and the same word Abeyuwa can talk on live video. You understand? First, let me follow that Abeyuwa no one say sweet. Abeyuwa total. Obivie 20, my guy. Or my contract. Just one thing you can understand. On winning, or they're responsible for when there you are, don't mind anything. With your character, your mentality, or no winning, I may respect us on when that's one thing. If you're barrel boy, no can come on, no, kigo no. If we are not talking about when I'm going to value, it's an immense value. You understand? Because of your evil hearts. Akeri yoko takaya not alega honi. If you don't know, you should know now. Because who wise was where we do. So you supposed to understand where Ukeri yoko can not alega honi. I won't know him. Don't know my way in the future. You understand? My sister, Otaya may not let go when the family with there was no positive answers. No positive answers. Where did me out in study where is Spain? Maybe I in study where is Spain. Do you know that? You want to marry presenters? Okay, no way must go you. Make you know the kind of person where you be. You cannot use your name, your bad name to spread my good name. You understand? So that was the reason why I found out who you really are. Come back and now. Before I can do a video call, it takes me months. Because we video call. Because one face with my video call. It takes me years so it block where we can carry one of the go off in the thought of ghost. I was seeing you as a ghost. You understand? For me to detect who you be. Well, yeah, because we're in a way not so to misbehave. By grace of God, I'm very comfortable and you're not doing. So, my sister, do behave and not there. What to work at Henya? When make this one spin away. You call on my live video, you got bear. Sister, I'm popular. What's your way now? Who might see live video? Where might see live video? Me got this already popular. You know, we are zero down. You were watching the live video, you caught in. Why they call my name? Favela. I go to the man. I go to the man. Why you could have? But I will get out my phone. Bloody civilian. You call. A live video met to give a number. Il a né who do I we well, we are the me. Me marry where exist. There, Bratton, we move. We yet Karen, we move. We are no information about a family man. We have no information about me. Go ask. If you are aware around there now, you didn't say anything to talk about me. You need to say, no go na gbe, no go na gbe sayiri, no go na gbe, no na gbe, no go na ogun weti, and na gbe sayiri, na gbe e na where you live, why you family. No Christian somebody in your family, apart from Ebo. Israel, oh we are here in Nina. Israel they all the Ebo. Israel we all who call their purposes. 5 and 6. Bagadagudu. Israel we are the Robo. Avant the Robo. Ota the Robo. And now you need. Go where no more no bien. Yes was Magbanwe. Okwani. Because when the banner, the way we acting, if I'm not there, yes, this person is okay, sound. Even you talking on social media where the general public is listening, you will just blabbing. Umade constructive. Only no yata man was zo. There, that's why I call you Akbavio. The same may not get away good one of them. The same may not get away the boy social media now 500,000 yen we bring you wasungu. I was saying that I was mocking you. Oh yes. I'm always here to mock you guys. When you start robbing yourself of poto. Because one phone go to you quarrel. Even I am mocking. Is it not the same that was beating your mother? I will do a lot of walking. Obo lawe gbe. Ebo ya nu wo so na wona. Ebo ya nu ewu. Bo so na wona. Ma uwe ga mi sta no. Ase wo tu gwa gbe sta be gani. We gbe sta, we ka na gbe sta. Be ni azu ono ya gente we gbe na gbe sta ni. Wow, wa nu wo no. Abo lawe gbe. Be ni abo lawe gbe no. Madame, agbo kan agbo social media no je na ya agbo live video. No je na ya agbo because you are fond of evil. Oh, go where too much. Oh, go no be too much. Any kind of resolve your way. Why you go back plan all this plan? At the end of the day now, what makes you out? Now the access to not push you out. so well as you. The one wait ye, uma uti family me. Uguti family me, uti now. That's the camera. Not record. Uti now, not the phone at ye. One nota. Oh, you don't get a no, uti now. Uti now. Will ya home. Ni me ya home we be. Egg na kime. Right? We wait 2 days ago, 3 days ago, we be. And me ya home we be 3 months ago. You be ya home we be. You see your life? Who be you? O ma be you? No concern Frankie no way. Kono come. You no concern me. O ha be o wo be. E dede a be o momo be. Dede. U be chipazinho. U be kolobenyan. No one concern me. Cause life now. Me nya we leru. No we be ni me. God forbid. Even me ason say no one we nya be me ya mose. Cause I can kede bakomiza. Monzo. Bakomiza we mose say. Hello? I greet you. Awa. Yeah. Yes. Thank you very much, Walter. So, when I share this video, go through the chalk out small between Iyego and Abeyuwa. If Iyego with this one day, or if they may own there, what was some way in a near you way. Iyego to that, but I want to go say with you. Ben time life you have time na boy make na down here. Because matter my way, all you is going to be a very big example to many people for this social media. Here gonna like a live video. Want to listen to? You never know God, boy, baba with a smile. I do my drink. Ovira me no ma wagbo. Owo menwa. Owo marugbe family mana. No Judah. No fi formation family mana Latian. Abeyuwa. Iyego as desperate as Iyego no like he go say Okoni. Iyego have the contact of Abeyuwa. They are still in contact, they are still connected to each other. After Abeyuwa winning, Iyego now play close to Abeyuwa. Now watch. Iyego come out on social media where mama we marriage. You understand? Or will you hear magic marriage in? Or where a destiny backward daily here. You may go ye Kevin. Have it all, mama we marriage. Or where family a family may not you here my yoke woman. Now that is where woman comes in now. Listen. When I want to analyze this word, not listen. Iyego now with Iyego. Not Iyego now Iyego here marry. Here we marriage. Iyego now we no. Iyego now we common marriage. Ona we common marriage. Ni here we traditional marriage. No. You know, traditional marriage in Yam. You understand? That is my decision. Equally, when me and my way in young marriage, the husband was there. That when my little man, he prayed for me. Now, Iego was not angry. Iego was not angry. Iego want to make one statement for him because he didn't record the video voice radio. Or he ain't no told about a voice not if you do not beg manager. Or waiting me do begging and go. Ni any go ni many me ya with marriage. Ye ain't na hamwe. Or I did didn't hear marry yen kwe. Or I ain't get no. Yan zigo yo. But I did yen zigo yo. Just I look very live video. That was what he said on the voice record. As my phone here. Iego beg no. Naija this one. Iego na here. Oh no, it to Iego. When I called Iego, I was sitting down here in my domain with my wife. My wife was listening. The phone was on speaker. You understand? The phone was on speaker. Immediately something that I called, and I said, "You're coming. You know, I don't understand. A presenter, one of the points here, you want to come out now as a live video presenter to one star saga. You understand? So you want to find every inch to lies on social media. But me, one thing about me, see those people that lie, I don't disgrace them. That's the truth. You understand? So that is the strategy of her now. That's why he's playing on this record, forging on this lie. So that you can handle you understand? You are not keeping the dose. It's strategy you know. Also, I just pity the dose. For real, I swear. I just pity the dose because the dose don't know the people where they dance follow. I will not burn on someone. Now, here go we my marriage. I'm from the Majo. Now, really, if a Majo, I stop them not to go. Also, now, Musujaiva, Abeyuwa, a marriage in the way of Suja if you are happy, right? I know because who of this Suja a bear who give this police, a police will view the police by Mupo or Violi. I pay for soldiers, I pay for 2 in-laws from brigades, I pay from an anti-robbery squad, no anti-courtesan with TCID. I took a lawyer who read the petition straight to the commissioner of police, and I spoke with the commissioner of police. You understand? The man last sign there, he ain't going to pay you. With the help of my late friend, Marcel, you're going to run here because why? You know, my family for her, I put the light money. If you see the shot for you, they put them for 2 naira. They're taking a 10 car. So because that one, if I don't want to do anything, I want to tell them. I got to just surprise them. Boom. And I use my phone to say, I know, I trust. Because me in a party, that from time, that from day one. So I got that trust for them. And I'm not your client, Alpha, bro. You help me go to a place like this, you help me do something, no while I'm going to do with you. Finish, they put me on call. So that was how I use my team straight in the day. Now, you need to find out where Abeyuwa I'm the poison it in their mind. Then they started insulting my elder brother. He, we don't know you're supposed to Frankie. If I get Maroko not John, if I get Maroko not John, you're supposed to Frankie. I was like, wow. It's not cause quarrel. We don't know nothing, eh? You're the two get out, you're the two get out, bro. I know it's the problem. The person in the problem here is Abeyuwa. Abeyuwa is the problem now. Abeyuwa is the one pumping on these guys fake information. Okunidi me no me. Okuye for Abeyuwa. Pastor, I don't be in. My bed up be. I went to know yes. She's here. No more you come. No more phone you Kevin. You can be senior by Nando's. When I explain my senior by someone okay back. Memoir. Who am I be? Who not here? Pastor. Nobody know me right now. You and you alone have the right. Whatever can give you joy, you do it. All I am here as a father to you. Anything you know, I stand here to be a father and I will do it. Master. That's nobody about what. And now this is the decision. The tradition day. I don't want my brothers to be there. Anything that concerns my marriage, I don't want my brothers to be there. Away where I don't know. You go along. Understand? Then, the first date is not take a fix. You have a chance. And I can be here. Bewa was aware. Bewa was aware. For the introduction, not for marriage, Bewa was aware because they are developness. So they don't get chance that day. Okay, they now came up and come up on that new date. Dating was between me and Mark. Now, these dates, I will not announce it in my family meeting. It's not to hear me, you. Get the new one here. I have a cagbe. But let the rest of the women know, the senior one. See, this my junior one, money. When you hear, don't worry, I will talk to them. I personally will talk to them. They're not in the same direct. Now, Fred, that far. Now, listen. Since we money marry Kevin, I want to marry Abeyuwa. There's no problem. But for the now, I don't want to marry anybody. I don't want to marry. Well, tradition will hear next week, it cancel any. It has been what? Cancelled. Hold. Well, just like that, yes. Why? I know the reason is best known to me. Imagine there. If I not decide, I will get back to you. Pass to the other junior ones. Okay, no problem. Bam. They were in the dark. They were in the dark. They were not aware. Or the address. The description of where they were not aware. Then my family then went down. They drove down there. They do the introduction peacefully. After the introduction, that same day, we fixed date for the marriage, which was March 2nd. I have to say, here is to what? Here, the men want to see live video where Imugo ye Kevin. If I second last one, and the second last one, then we Kevin. So my brother say, I'm going to Kevin, I'm going to Kevin, I be one head, I be one say, calling my brothers, but I do that. I don't call us my lie. Mamma young. I will book cast make media. You have the time we go, I'm going to mother Jimmy Hood. I'm going to Frank Castle. If not go over time, fake like or leave, like you do, Mamma young. That was where the confusion came. Last year, maybe this year. So, here, man, here, where the marriage year, until that same March 2nd, when I was sitting out here, the guy had my family back. I cocoa you keep being back. Mind you, 2 days to the marriage, somebody called a no on this live video where you can handle the marriage, and the second you handle the marriage. Yeah, you want video, yeah, me, I kept mute and not talk. You know, say, hey, what video going? Why we're not going to acquire? You understand? Apart from me, my beautiful goddaughter, a say talk show. You understand? And few of my fans not really understand we yes. We are not say that they keep secret, and they know say master corner they did do about my marriage. It was on live video, was on video call with me here. We got address we got you understand? On code, nobody know what they saw. We also do another. I say the magwale nyanga to my day, so I don't want nyanga. So on team, yeah, cocoa then I boss that. Now okay. Then I suggest on a phone, ring like a hand ring like for here. How about a 4 phone for here? Oh, to the topic communicate for us. You know what yeah, as in brother, I see the video there for us. The channels, you know those developments, those this is like Zoom meeting. You understand? So everybody was just like that. It was a Zoom meeting. Both you want to click on and sort of a Zoom meeting. Both you want to the other country. They put on the Zoom meeting. They were just watching everything that's going on in their father's house. That was how any question they want to ask, they will ask question. Oh yes, my right Maria we just on video call we're watching. The son the one will feel the screen record because it's a long screen record song. So but my brother has a video song for her. Everything we uploaded the video. So as they come to my from my lap, me again. Now I feel boss on that. That's my screen yard, my studio light plot where the stuff about background. You get green, you get white, you get black. Anybody will edit videos, will those stream, especially those music videos, and that kind of clothes they use. Now they take photograph. That was hung there to photograph. You don't take photograph that day. And after that, bam, at the camp of my lag bar, now started the dance. Now on music, don't play. Hey, are you boy? You're when I'm not a husband man. I'm husband material. Now so me get a bridge smoke. Because all of them was catch on a well. That was how I did my marriage. Including my ego. My ego don't know the date. You understand? So he was definitely who was feeding her information was Abeyuwa. The information Abeyuwa got was not the wrong information because my junior ones was not aware of what happened. This same woman, my elder sister, did not go. They don't go marry daddy. When they go introduction, they call him. It's when they call you to pick her for us. And they drive past, they don't pick her. As they go, they come back, they don't tell anything. They lock up. Since they want to do marriage. They want to do marriage, they were expecting say, I go bring money, come and give them. Then they take go market. Go buy those things come. I call this one. The list where they bring come. I send the list, go give them. Give me the estimate of the list. He give me estimates. I call this one. Give me the estimate of the list. He give me the estimate. I call this one. Give me about different estimates. I say, Grandma. I say, okay. Now, I have to call my PA. Go market. Ask for the price of all these things. If it is more than this, all this like private so come back as one buy. If it is less than this, buy everything. Now so my PA buy those things in a very cheap rate. As he list everything, he calculate everything finish. He said, bro, see how much money bill. I said, buy him. He said, God forbid, they'll kill you. I said, don't worry. If you buy him, keep him on the woman shop. I'll give the woman money for car. The woman carry and come. Give your man for house. Then your man not call bros. People was coming more to pick up for there. So they said, my friend, then buy and come give me. Say, okay, no problem. I said, we'll take on that barrel. On code. Because if I don't say, now this small girl, I don't go buy the things come. You understand? Whereas, they don't say that different, you see, and the different with the money issue. They are eyes up for inside, and they find. That's why I can buy those things come back. That was, they could ask. You know where they talk, where they come tell Abeyuwa so. When I see people in the space, where Abeyuwa call so. Come say, Ayeki, Merema, Meni Yuwa, Memayeki. I don't want Yeki. I want Mayeki. Osio do if your area will gift in there. Osio, even I have traditional marriage. When they fucking hear and I probably figure on. Or what's the list of yourself? Or so what collect when anything here do they money happy. I know what they listen, I know what they I know what the real of your I don't know what motor of you. Am I have you? Now there that word come out. Where my mind go, we don't go my marriage. Can't talk for live video. My mind go not get my number, my brother number. Now this or there. This is Emila America. Now I get my brother number. Now I tap information from my brothers. Where they give my go feedback. Mother-in-law feedback. I do my drink. And the one way I know now they talk. That's why they talk. I was not concerned about Mona shifts. I'm not concerned in it. You will not make you know that okay. In money, you understand? Very often, maybe don't be a go or what they body. Never they don't exist. Anyway, you can move ahead. I don't move ahead for you. You see those one when I look one kind of big thing. When I do, we are not the sender. Me, I'm not the sender. When they say, say, "Okoni wa owe ya ba wo we mo ya devigwe." We can not devigwe ya rebel you don't answer. E can not devigwe. Never forget all those things. All those one normal saga talk. No mean anything. You don't be past this one. You know ya rebel. The rebel go here. You may live life me. You understand? Just for peace of mind. I look and say, bro, I want to put in a good the pressure water the buwa. A chemical it's causing a lot of problem. You can go to the video. You understand? You can go to the video. A chemical is causing a lot of depression and frustration. You understand? So now allow you to buy in what they were done when you watch a video now. What go in Vera, this as what you go. No people were me. No people were me. Men are going to calculate the Vera, what have you balance me? Because $1 million not to win now. Or my winner, Emmanuel, Magwan kind, he call a click comment, nothing, no update, nothing. He must send. Life goes on. You know, one the ones that are not the plan say give me estimate. Now for me, you put money for your account, just they work, they go. As you they work, they enjoy yourself. Now when they work, they chop. That's me. Oh, you know. You know, even me who no get go no not to where setting well not to where. We marry where na there. Or to where you be be a mighty cross now in Nigeria, sister of Nigeria. Do we not get the alcohol, not get a good thing the boy. Or my so everybody lovable. A connection of my lovable with visa. A master no one visa lovable. Or to when you actually post a picture of Norway last week. Visa lovable. Do you know how many of my guys not Taliban now with visa? That came to visa. I'm a superstar now the UK and every visa like UK. Why can't you work and make money in UK? Also with visa, we are like webo. Why go look no look na ya marry one more ajebo. Who no na marry one more way for love, for benefits. I see him as a person that is sincere. Okay, fine, bro, they do things, no level. You're gonna book and say, I know. Imagine my way they estimate me. All you have to anything you post everywhere, see where he has all issue, see where he has all issue, video and see where they are, that's all. Then we are like, what do I, my me? We are doing for my me. Little not to ya, Bua Heme, let me go ne. We motor me ya pay to wear, not to ya, Muna Heme. Image motor or two I may as in one. Or two I may as in one. When I do half for my man, everything is here on your record. Look back, and we might see with me up, push out somewhere for being honest. Now, me, you, your brother, we are on group call. Also, our discourse. If we are talking about the land to secure the land, everything, also now discuss. So now where we don't need really understand. You know, mutasia here, mutasia here, mutasia there. Or I was after the group call. I was just listening. And after the conversation, and I called you, say, guy, I want to surprise your brother. Not tell him. I want me to go price any motor. Motor when you see like. You need then. And me, I was surprising not one. Is that how we did the surprise? That was how I did the surprise. I paid. Okay. Bro, that money we do at cancel. Use 2 million for his side. Take it for the motor. I have 5 million no way, no way, 2 million on my way. I have 5 million no way, 2 million on my way. But where you telling me? In that same land, is 300,000. The other, I need Boas to do okay. You only extended the company did not big. Because they have business for you, and have big bush buyer, waiting unless you pay you. Now, okay, no problem. How much? Wait for 400,000. You want 400,000. We shall send the money to your brother's account. You are telling me now where my man don't go to you telling me. Una you 2 plots in me. Una you 2 plots in me. When do you want the community to pay and give me the receipts? When those kakabot the Abeyuwa, it's not your mother-in-law, be when we are in what you why when we won't want to yell in Saga. And we feel the way it will go down well with you. It will give you joy, it will make you happy. Don't. You cannot be insulting my wife. How old are you? You have 52 years, 51 years. Or 50 years. No matter you can make to your 23. You think of insulting my wife, they're not go. Or 2 months of coming, only go to coming. 2 I feel you will go to walk here. That you'll be insulting my wife to the extent who go home or help with. Who tap on the phone in a lock up because I see you as a godmother, not lock up. Then you don't have the guts to come to social media and utter a word. All that for a master, I get before any and webu. We're talking about the present, not the past. So we value that for where? You value the man you abandoned here in Italy. We are where you are not going to go going on it. And now I'm going to go going on it. And then go to Bula that are humiliated social media. The same husband you brought up to social media being humiliated. You are not proud of him. Yeah, he's over in your way. You are slow ball look in your way. A boat of many men. Simple. If you don't know who you're turning, but I need the document of that house. And I will step my 2 foot of that house. Eh, Joku. Get the video on the because there's no way I will be dragging Abeyuwa and I will still be dragging you. Or second. I got when we are running on the material or anything. 5 verse, I'm not going to talk about Abeyuwa again. For it. If I verse, I don't talk about you again because why? I go hands of being why so here. Ya wale we the me no concern we na be you when why do now. Me easy because assassin family we abandon we. I don't even get your time, girl. I'll burn you. For real. I'll burn you for free. Not be joke. Go don't worry about the rubbish. I don't care. You understand? So what na bolo for? Any I say that we really I say better. Ba on ikpe video now because it's raw. And then waro we me ata rie go ewe no ta. Iyo ewe no ta. E marriage mayo no ta live video. No do